Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I ran across a product that I think you should know a little bit about. I found it really interesting, and frankly, we all run into those situations on the road that you go, is something not working? And what do you do between site to get it fixed? So I found a potential solution for you with my friend here, Heath, from RVHelp. How appropriate's the name, right? So Heath, tell us a little bit about you and what our viewers should know about your products.
Yeah, so my wife and I hit the road in 2014 on our honeymoon, and we went to all 50 states in an RV, and it was a Class C Coachman, and we were on the road for all of 8 days before it broke down, and we were trying to scramble and figure out life, and we ended up full-timing for 5 years.
Wow.
And one of the biggest things for us that was always a challenge was something would break, and it's our home.
Yeah.
And so we're constantly maybe taking it to a dealership, and they're saying, well, can you drop it off? And I'm like, not really, because this is my house. And,
That's right,
and
unless you want me to live in your garage.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And so one of my frames is always trying to figure out, or had this kind of problem in my mind of what could be a better opportunity. And we also ran a business from the road for several years. So with RVHelp, what we have is we have 1,400 certified technicians who are mobile, and they can come to you. So a lot of them are actually RV owners as well. And so they update their location through the app. And as they travel around the country, they're able to book jobs. So you're not just finding someone who's mobile, but you're also finding a lot of RV owners who are certified and know products really well. So we verify credentials for where they were trained. We have the ability for them to upload if they've done, RVTI, additional certs, more ride. You can go see people's specialties and know if they're willing to work on certain types of things, because you might reach out to a mobile tech and they say, well, I don't do black tanks. And so finding the right people and being able to connect with them and see their face before they come into your RV. We just started doing background checks and things like that.
Nice.
To be able. So a big part of it is being able to help RVers whenever something goes wrong, get on the road. So we have a free app that people can download and get into it and find nearby service whenever you need some help. I mean, I think a lot of times we go to YouTube and try to figure out, can we fix Totally. We try to go see, can we fix the problem? Yeah. I'm not able to fix as many things as I wish, which is part of the reason why we started working on this business. But I think at that point, when you come out of your depth, if you go and find nearby providers, a lot of our technicians will actually do pre-service calls to make sure that they're a good fit to come out and take care. Exactly, yeah. So we actually we have a badge that techs can enable a feature, and it says, hey, I'm willing to do a 10-minute call with you before I come out and charge you a mobile service call fee to make sure that this is something I can help you with, and it's not a quick fix that we can't fix a fuse over the phone. And so there's 2 large certification schools in the country. There's the RVTI, which is funded by dealerships and manufacturers, and there's the National RV Training Academy, which is where the most amount of our providers have come from. So what they do is they go to school for 5 weeks to become a certified technician. They can take additional classes for things like generators or solar, and then they can go get other credentials. So all of our providers have that base who are on RVHelp, who have the certified badge. And then a lot of them are always continuing to facilitate do education. So they cover a lot of different brands. They have a lot of different specialties for what they like to work on, and it will show that on their profile. A lot of times just calling people is exhausting. So we show providers who have responsiveness, meaning like they're maintaining their messaging and they're getting back to you, just like you see on Airbnb when you reach out to somebody and it says highly responsive. Those are things that we try to encourage on our platform, so the techs are able to message with you back and forth through the app.
So that's a great point. So let me ask a couple questions about that, because time is usually the essence when something breaks and you're on the road.
Yeah.
Is there a typical response time that most people would expect, that if I hit something on the app that I'm going to get somebody telling me yay or nay within a certain time frame?
So what we do have is we have an emergency dispatch feature. So the base app is free. You can get it. You can message people, reach out. Doesn't cost anybody anything. So I would encourage anybody to have it just to be able to find nearby people. And then we do have a paid upgrade to a pro membership, and we have an emergency dispatch feature where if your slide's stuck, you can't get down the road, you're trying to get to a dealership or just get to your next spot, then that's part of one of the things we offer for pro members, and it's an emergency dispatch. So we take all our providers in the area, we dispatch out to help them and get people connected a bit faster if it's more timely.
So this is our Ask tab in the app. We have 3 different options depending on your level. If you're a free user, we have an AI chat that you can use for basic troubleshooting with your RV. If you have the RVHelp standard, you can connect with an RV tech that's in your local area for a 15-minute phone call to possibly diagnose over the phone or walk you through a simple fix. And then we also have a live video call option where you can schedule a video call with a certified tech who can help you diagnose an issue, potentially even get you back on the road if it's a simple fix, or maybe even just teach you how to use your RV if it's something that you don't understand or haven't ever done before. So you can, once you put in your RV details and then you come over here to the maintenance tracker, it gives you a list of maintenance tasks that you should be doing on a regular basis. Like some of these things are going to be before every trip. Others are going to be, replace your water filter or change your engine air filter, clean your roof. And then if you click into the task, you see the history of that specific task. You also will have resources like videos and articles about how to do that specific maintenance task, and then the basic instructions. If it's something you don't want to do yourself, it's easy to just hire a pro in the area.
Oh, okay, I got it. So the schedule is there to help you maintain those things as opposed to ask somebody else to come out.
Exactly.
Okay,
yeah,
I get
it's a DIY resource just to help you, because a lot of times there's things you might not know you need to be doing that could lead to repairs, but if you're on top of it, then you can prevent the need to have someone come out and have to pay that money.
Got it. So based on my particular rig and the products on it, you're going to give me some guided suggestions on what I need to make sure I'm maintaining or doing before that next trip.
Exactly, and you'll get the, and then once you say, yes, I've done this, then it'll tell you, if it's something that's done every 6 months, then in 6 months it'll tell you again, it's time to do it again.
Nice, I like it.
Yep, and then you'll see all the history here of everything you've already done, and you'll be able to export your records if your insurance company needs to know what the maintenance is you've been doing, or share with a RV tech, or maybe you sell it and you want to share that history with a buyer.
Got it. And so this is all available on the free version?
Yeah, so the basic maintenance tracking feature is all on the free version. Like some things like the export maintenance, that's a pro feature. A few of the features are pro features, but we wanted to try to make it as usable as possible, even if you just have the free version.
Awesome.
We also have a fuel log, so you can track your gas mileage and see how. Okay, so right here on your home screen, if you've enabled your location, it'll show you the nearby techs in the area. Then if you come over to My RV, you can enter your type of RV that you have. You can digitally store your owner manuals, your warranty information, your serial numbers, so you don't have to crawl under your RV and look at your actual water heater whenever you need to know what the serial number is. And then our pro members can add additional resources, whatever you want here to store. You can upload a PDF or add a link.
So I'll put some information in the description section on your website that they would go to download the app, or did they just go right to the
go to the
iOS?
App Store,
Okay.
yeah, iOS, Android, RVHelp.com.
Okay. RVHelp.com, that's what they're going to be looking for. Whether you're driving something brand new or something that's got a few years on it, what I have found is you're all still at risk of something not working at some point. And to have a potential option like this to at least check, have somebody you can interact with, man, that's priceless. So thanks for joining the video today. And in the future, I hope all you guys' trips are optimized. Thanks for watching.